In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate website in Squarespace step by step. If you've ever wanted a safe place to redesign, test new layouts, or spin up a fresh version of an existing site, duplicating your Squarespace website is the fastest, safest way to do it. We'll walk through the exact clicks from the homepage to the confirmation, and I'll point out what to expect along the way so you're confident before you proceed. Start by going to the Squarespace website and sign in. Once you're on the main site, look to the top right corner of the page. You'll see your profile icon or avatar there. Click that area to open the account menu, then choose Account Dashboard. This dashboard is your command center. It's where all your sites live and where we'll trigger the duplication. In the dashboard, find the site you want to copy. Take a second to make sure you've got the correct one, especially if you manage multiple projects. The site card will show the title and thumbnail to help you confirm you're in the right place. You'll need to have the appropriate permissions on that site to make a duplicate. Now hover over that site card and look to the right-hand side. You'll see a small menu icon with 3 dots. Click those 3 dots to open the Site Actions menu. From that list, select Duplicate Website. This option tells Squarespace to create a separate copy of your site in your account. When you click it, a confirmation panel labeled Duplicate Website will appear. This is your chance to review what's about to happen. Duplicating generally copies your site's structure, pages, styles, and most content so you can work without touching the original. Keep in mind that certain connected services like custom domains, some third-party integrations, or live store data typically don't transfer automatically to a duplicate, which is good for safety but worth noting. If everything looks good, go ahead and click Duplicate to confirm. Squarespace will get to work creating the copy. This can take a moment, especially if your site is large. When it's finished, you'll see a new site in your account dashboard, usually labeled as a copy of the original. The original site remains exactly as it was, untouched. That's it, you've successfully duplicated your website. Your new copy is perfect for experimentation, redesigns, or staging changes before you publish them for real. When you're ready, you can customize the duplicate however you like, knowing your main site is safe.